Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing Tecno Pova 7 Pro versus Tecno Pova 7 Ultra. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, updates, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display brightens, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, Geekbench score, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, video, sound, loudspeaker, .5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, smartphones price, final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.